Okay, guys, don't ever tamper with fire alarms. I am not responsible for your actions if you do that. You are responsible. If you tamper with fire alarms, you're going to get in a lot of trouble. You're going to get fined and you're going to get arrested. Because it is against the law to tamper with the fire alarm. These here are life safety devices, not toys. These here are there to alert people that the building is on fire and they must leave immediately. So this is why these things should never be messed around with. You don't ever take the alarm off the wall. You don't ever take the alarm off the ceiling. You don't ever take the screws out of the alarm. You don't ever take the strobe off the alarm. You don't ever take the horn off the alarm. You don't ever adjust the volume, the pattern, the tone, or candela on the alarm. You don't ever paint the alarm. You don't ever cut power to the alarm. Leave the alarm the way it is. And don't ever pull fire alarms for fun. Because you can get arrested for doing that. And if you pull fire alarms for fun and tamper with fire alarm equipment, you are putting other people's lives at risk, which is not good. I mean, if you want to tamper with your own alarm, that is totally fine, but if you're doing it with an alarm in public, that is not okay at all. The reason why I am messing around with this alarm is because it's my own alarm. I can do whatever I want to it. But with an alarm in public, leave it alone. Bye.